How to disable notification in Honor of Kings. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off the notification. First of all, open the application. Now here on the right top, you can see the settings icon. Simply tap on settings. Now here we're in the settings interface. Now here on the left hand side, slowly scroll down, simply tap on features and privacy. So on the top, you'll be able to see push notification. Simply tap on it, and here you can see different notification icon. Now in order to disable it, you can simply turn it off. So here there are different categories too, so you can even turn off the in-game ones. Now after you do that, you can simply tap on this cross icon. Now if you go back, it's all saved and the notification has been turned off. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.